Hello. Hey, hello Nintendo fans. My name is Master and today welcome back to the basement. Woo! Look at it, it's all nice and clean now. Doesn't look like shit. But we have this very nice 2017, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, Chromebook. My mom says it's acting up, so we're going to take it apart. Maybe see what's wrong with it. Let me just say, I have no idea how to do anything with anything, so we're just gonna take it apart for fun. We have this very nice this is brand new. I don't even know if I have a bit small enough for this, but very nice brand new Craftsman ratchet screwdriver set. Super nice. Super high quality. Move that to the side, and let's see if this is a correct bit. It is. See, I'm gonna turn. That isn't for you guys, it's for me, so I can see what I'm doing. I do. It isn't even open yet. I have a little metal petri dish from Husky that I haven't even opened yet. Real question is this magnetic? No. That works. Every time. Little trick for you. If you have something metal that isn't magnetic, grab something magnetic like this and just run it across a magnet and it becomes magnetic. The nice little trick of the trade. See, because now it sticks to it, and it wasn't able to do that before. You can actually buy little things that magnetize and demagnetize metal things. I can't remember what it's called, but they're super neat. And I kind of want one, but you really don't need one. I mean, I wish it was just magnetized right off the bat, but it's okay. Sucky things about being in the basement is that the heat comes on and then it's very loud. Should have a chair down here. Actually, there is chairs. You go grab one. This thing is very small. My mom's had this for a couple years. Obviously, this is from 2017, so it's very slow. I think it's cooked, but I really don't know. So. Logically, unless there's a screw under here, which is entirely possible. I don't believe so. There. Cracking sounds means you're winning. Maybe. Oh, there we go. No, okay, there wasn't another screw. So, why is it dirty? What the fuck? That's weird. Not sure why it's dirty inside the case. That doesn't make any sense. Look at this massive battery. Half of the size of the freaking thing. Just put that right there. Look. What is this? It's like, I don't even know what that is, but it's gross. Like, look at this massive battery. This is half the size of the freaking laptop. Let's check this out. This is the first thing I should have done. It's fucking taped in. Hopefully I'll be able to get it out still. Luckily, the screws are the same size. I don't really plan to put this all back together. No screwdriver. Well, guess what? I'm using one, but it's fine. It's rubber, so I won't electrocute myself. Like how it has little tiny indicator arrows. Like I couldn't see them before. Dumbasses. I'm assuming these are the speakers, but I'm not insanely sure. It says right and left on them, which is really nice. Very tech friendly. Now I should be able to just lift. It's Captain taped on there. Why? Samsung? Samsung. I don't know if I can even get the Captain tape off. No, I can. Okay. Remove the Captain tape. You should just be able to lift up and out, if I'm not mistaken, without destroying anything. Nope, yep, right there. That's the battery. Looks fine, no real pillowing, which is good. This thing is super flat though, so it looks fine. So I wonder what is wrong with it. Move the battery off to the side. We got the dangerous part out. Let me see, what are these? What are these? I'm not insanely sure. What are these? Why does it say right and left on them? I don't know. I'm really at a loss for that. I think... I think I'm gonna remove the motherboard next, and then move from there. But that requires moving these heat sinks. Oh, same type of screw. It just felt longer. Oh, am I missing? I'm missing completely. Completely. The hinges on this thing are sad. Why isn't this coming out? What the hell? I'm gonna assume that's fine. I'm gonna hit this one. See if I can just lift it out because that one's not coming out. No, I can't just lift this out. Okay, fine. Once again with the tiny arrows, like, I can't see where the fucking screws are. I'm not that dumb. Oh, it was underneath the motherboard. No wonder I was having such difficulty with it. Oh, dude, it took out I think that was my problem. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it took out like the little thread bit. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, no, it took out this like little thread bit. It's supposed to go in here in these like little slots, but took it right out. So I'm just gonna put the heatsink right there. One of the two heat sinks. I believe they're heat sinks. I'm not entirely sure. Hopefully this one isn't underneath the motherboard as well. This one is definitely easier. Hopefully that was the only one that was like stuck in also. Send this to my laptop to edit later. Have fun, me. Pretty sure you can see my face there. Move this other heatsink. Please don't tell me this is also underneath the motherboard. It's not. Okay, place that right there. Not sure why this one over here was underneath the motherboard. Your guess is as good as mine. Okay. So you have all the revealed ports here. We have a USB. You have headphone jack. USB, HDMI. The HDMI is looking really thin for some reason. And a SIM card reader. So, next step is to hopefully remove the motherboard. But we got to get there. I'm not sure what this is for. I assume just for the, I don't know, what is this? I don't know what this is. I believe it's just for the USB and the headphone jack. Look at the hinges, by the way, on this thing. I don't know if you guys can see that either, but they're looking pretty gross. So I'm gonna remove the motherboard, and I'm gonna go from there. This main one. I think this is the mouse pad or the track pad, whatever you want to call it, motherboard. But we're gonna move the main motherboard. So, and I can't take the heat shielding off, the cooling off randomly. I'm not sure why. Just thinking like all these screws were gonna be different. They're not. They're all the same, which is super nice. One on the corner right here. Once again, with the arrows, I don't need them. I'm not sure why they're there. It's like I can't really see them or something. I don't know why they're there. It's your guess. Once again, your guess is as good as mine. Right here, the hinges are like really in there too. Like they're screwed in here and here, and then here and here. I don't know if you guys can see this one, but it's like really in there, so it doesn't like shake or anything. Any more screws for the motherboard? No. Oh, okay. Well, this one, that needs to come out. Don't tear the ribbon cable. Okay. Now this one, to an extent, I do know what I'm doing, but I also have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, one right here, right as well, with fucking Captain tape, god damn it. Why is it just all wires? Oh no. I just soldered on there. I don't think I can take this out. Oh no, yes I can, yes I can. I gotta remove this. I believe. No, I gotta take the trackpad out. Okay. Main motherboard out. Okay, so you would have to take, so if you're having cooling problems, you would have to take the entire back case off, the motherboard out, so you can finally get to the screws that get the heatsink out. Why? Okay. This is obviously, this is your CPU right here, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, there's your SanDisk. You have all your cards and everything like that. That was just wired in. That was really gross wiring. Let's see here. I think my next step is to remove the screen. So I'm going to do that. I don't plan to really put this back together, but I'm going to try. I'm not really going to try it. My mom doesn't want it. I don't want it. No one wants it, so it's going to stay apart. Because no one really cares. I think I might need to take this out for me to remove the screen. This secondary board that's for the USB and a headphone jack. I think the screen, I'm pretty sure this is a screen, but I'm not entirely sure. So I should, in reality, just be able to do that. Yep, I knew. Okay, so I do have to take this I do have to take this board out. I thought I would have to, but I just really didn't want to. I'm stripping the screw. That is not why am I having such internal difficulty. This one does not want to come out. I have all the other screws removed. This one just does not want to come out. Huh, okay. I don't want to damage the board, but I might have to. Because I'm going to strip this screw. I'm just stripping it. God damn it. Okay. I'm going to have to rip that board out. Didn't want to, but that screw does not want to move. Got that out. Now, take the back case off. And then, bam. And the motherboard just stays on with the screen, which is really weird and random. I'm not entirely sure why that's that. But nothing's really behind here but the LCD, so we really don't need this. So, move that off to this, roughly the side. And we go back under to here. So we're gonna remove these. I still don't know what these are for. Yeah, I don't know what these weights or something. It has writing on it, but it's not English. Interesting. I don't know. Whatever. Don't care. These screws are different. I wonder why. me just lift up. What are these? I don't know. If someone knows what these are, please tell me in the comments, because I really want to know. I've never seen this ever. I've also never really taken these kind of laptops apart before, so I really wouldn't know. And what's really interesting, this laptop had exposed screws, which is pretty common. I should just be able to... Oh, look, there's like nice little foam right there. I should just be able to push the trackpad out, right? Right? Or is this in the way? Nothing else is screwed in. I don't see any other screws. So in reality, I should just be able to push the trackpad out. Which is gonna... Maybe. No, I cannot just push the trackpad out, which is weird. I don't know why. I'm gonna try some prying on this a little bit. I'm not sure what this is for. Not really like a good hold point for anything. There we go. They really don't want you to get to like the keyboard, I don't think, is the thing. Well, that's really where I stopped, because I can't get this out. Unless it's this way, where I can push the... No. Oh my god. Okay, there's like minuscule screws. I don't even think this would work. Oh, no, it is. Oh my god, these screws are so tiny. The arrows don't help. I don't understand why the arrows are there, because, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is, like, the tiniest screw in the universe. And the arrows are even smaller. So I'm not entirely sure why they have the arrows there, because the arrows are tiny, too. Tiny Tim arrows and Tiny Tim screws. Goddamn. Let's make it somewhat easy to see. Also not very easy to aim up on. There we go. Well, out of all this already, I've only had one screw that's really given me any trouble. Now, realistically, I should just be able to pop this out, right? Oh, Jesus Christ. No, that's... Okay, good. I thought I just ripped... No, yeah, no. I did. I broke a trackpad. Yeah, look at that. Or I broke a ribbon cable. That just ripped right out. So realistically now, you would need an entire new trackpad. But trackpads suck. I don't like trackpads. So that's your ribbon cable gone for your trackpad, at least. That can go. Okay, now realistically nothing else is in my way for the keyboard. So I shall attack. Yeah, good cracking sounds. Pretty sure I'm just bending the metal. Yeah. Get this out. I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. This seems to be working fairly well. Ah! I just got like clipped in my ear. Fuck. Like a piece of random plastic just shot on, like, right by my ear, and it clipped it just barely. That hurt. This is why you don't do stupid things, kids. Don't be like me. Be a smart person. I'm trying to rip it out. It's not really working. There we go. Not easy to get out. Look at all that. Oh, gross. Oh, there's all like crumbs and shit from the keyboard. Gross. I see why they keep this here though. So crumbs and shit don't get through and like damage the motherboard or any board clips, anything like that. So I know why they keep this here. But I have no idea why this was so hard to fucking remove. That was a bitch. Let me just... I don't really want to start, like, a collection again. Just shit. Just put this down here for right now and move on with my life. What is this? Oh, it's the search key. The search key fell out. That's interesting. Probably from all, like, the banging and shit that I was doing. Okay. So, the only thing holding the keys in is this. Should just be able to pry up. There we go. And keyboard out. But now it's flexed, so... Oh yeah, this would be the ribbon cable for the keyboard, I guess. I'm gonna bend it. Want some keys? Space bar. Rip that out. There we go. Some of these are super tactile. Like, the control key has this, like, weird little bars. I'm not entirely sure why. There we go. And, just throw that over there. And we are left with this. I'm gonna give one of these keys to my mom as a joke. CVX. So close. Bunch of other keys. I'm gonna keep the space bar. And we have the C, the X, the V, and the X key. Oh! Well, that's it. Overall, not that many screws, actually. I mean, you have like these 3 tiny boy ones. These 2 ones were the thing that I don't know what it was. You have all these ones, which I'm just going to throw these out, obviously, because I don't need them. I just, like, wanted to use this Petri dish, because... Yeah, one just flew. Because I haven't used this yet. But... I did it. Yay. Bye. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Twitter, Discord, Patreon. All links in the description below. Patreon's $1 a month. I do extra videos. Give you guys a little bit of a tour of the new clean basement. It looked like shit. So, yeah. Bye.